In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Google Forms responses summary. This is a handy skill, especially when you want to keep a physical record of the responses or if you need to share the information offline with colleagues. Let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and head to your Google Forms page. You can either type in the URL directly or search for Google Forms using a search engine, whichever you find easier. Now, once you're on the main page, you're going to want to locate the specific form for which you wish to print the responses. Click on that form to open it. Next, direct your attention to the top of your screen. You'll see a menu bar containing several options. What you should do here is click on Responses. This action is going to take you to a new section where all the collected data from the form participants is stored. Now that you're in the Responses tab, you will see several subtabs, including Summary, Question, and Individual. For the purpose of printing a complete overview of the responses, ensure that you select the Summary tab. This tab collates all the responses into easy-to-understand graphs and charts, making it perfect for printing a concise report. With the summary displayed, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a printer icon or the option labeled Print All Responses. Give that a click. A new window will open, displaying a print preview. Take a moment here to review the preview and make any necessary adjustments. In this window, you can decide how many pages you want to print, and if applicable, select a specific printer. Check that your settings, such as paper size and layout, match your preferences and the capabilities of your printer. Now comes the critical step. It's time to print. Confirm everything looks good, and then go ahead and hit that print button. Your printer will start producing a hard copy, so be patient as it works through this process. There you have it. You've successfully printed a summary of responses from your Google form. Remember, printing these summaries can be a great way to share results in meetings or as part of a presentation where digital means aren't feasible. Also, keep in mind the importance of being environmentally conscious. Only print what's necessary and consider digital sharing options when possible. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial on how to print a Google Forms responses summary. With these steps, managing and presenting data from your forms should now be a more straightforward task. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next video.